my name is Felicia Atmalusna, and you can call me Feli. This year, I've turned 19 years old. Also, I enter for campus to continue my study. As a first-year student, Faculty of Economics, Universitas Negeri Jakarta, I'm enrolled to Office Administration class. I would like to welcome you all in this video blog, also my test video for English course. So, without further ado, let's get to the video.
So, this is the General Campus of Universitas Negeri Jakarta, also called UNJ. This campus actually have another building in different place who known as B, D, and E building. But today, I would like to introduce you all A campus, which is located in Rawamangun Street, East Jakarta. Also main building of Universitas Negeri Jakarta. And yeah, come on, I will guiding and explain you each space. But first of all, let me tell you how I got into this major. Previously, I came from one of public high school in East Jakarta, majoring in science and mathematics. But however, as time went by, I realized that my abilities were not maximal in that field. That's why, when I registered for the campus entrance, I chose to cross-major and choose administration as the program I was going to study because I think the job prospects were very wide. For almost a year, I studied in this department. I have not felt any significant difficulties related to the learning process, especially during a pandemic like right now. Everything feels easier because if there is a task, it can be done from anywhere and everywhere you want. In about 2 semesters, my habit of doing in college, online for now, is getting up in the morning and doing some lectures via online and doing assignments given by the lecturer. During this semester, my class schedule is full from Monday to Friday because there are still many courses that must be taken for the first year students at the beginning of the college. Because my major is a diploma program, which emphasizes students to be able to work immediately after graduate, I have planned to increase my participation in the internship program when there are long holidays. Besides, I want to be being able to fill my space time. I also want to be able to hone my skills according to the major that I am pursuing. My main goals, I hope, when I graduate, I can immediately work and apply my skills in good companies with my experience before. So far, I feel that this major is the best choice for me, so I can become to a person who can be useful for every people around me. Even though for the beginning I entered this campus, I have never studied intensively on campus, but let me tell you and explain a little about the existing facilities in this campus. The first thing you see is a parking lot, one of which is like the Spiral building, which is a public parking for students or lecturers and employees. There are 6 floors, each of which has the own section. However, apart from Spiral parking, there is also another parking lot that you can find at UNJ. Furthermore, we can also find an iconic place from UNJ, which is commonly called the Open Plaza, which is usually used for the general gatherings for all students. This is also commonly used for people who visit to take photos because it is an iconic from UNJ. Move on to the building used by the students, especially the Faculty of Economics students, namely is Raden Ajeng Kartini Building or also called GRK, and Raden Dewi Sartika Building or GDS. This building each consists of 10 floors, but the ones that are often used actively are GRK or Gedung Raden Ajeng Kartini Building. Then, there are still many buildings and places at UNJ that assist to meet the needs of students in lectures. For examples, such as the existence of canteen or cafe, an UPT library, a building for students' organizations, a bank for the purpose of paying tuition fee, a backroom which is used to manage academic cards or student administration, and many others. The point is that the UNJ camp has provided a variety of very complete facility to support the various interests of students. And the last thing I want to say is that with this complete facility, it is hoped can be created for comfortable environment for all residents at Universitas Negeri Jakarta. So, this is the general campus of Universitas Negeri Jakarta, also called UNJ. This campus actually